What's up, people of vertical filming YouTube? Yeah, it's going to be vertical because I need my right hand to show you something. So basically, the fuel tap there, the diaphragm was gone in it, so it was peeing fuel out all over the floor. So Thai logic, rather than spend an hour or two doing research on the internet and trying to cross-reference part numbers until you found that they still make a diaphragm, what they actually did was put 10 foot of rubber tubing and a second tap on there. Now that probably would have cost £2 for the tap, whereas it just cost me £1 and a couple of hours, well, a couple of minutes looking on the internet until I found a current model Kawasaki that uses the same diaphragm. Dun dun da. So there you go. One fixed tap, nice new filter, no more spaghetti. Coming up next, no idea what's coming up next. Tune in to find out. Cheerio now.